Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another blog tech tips. In today's tutorial guys, I'll show you how to reset the control center on your Apple Watch. So as you can see here, this is my Apple Watch. It will apply to any Apple Watch. So go ahead and you're going to click on the crown here. Next, you're going to go to settings. Once you're in settings as seen here, you should be at the top as seen here. You're going to scroll down and you're going to go to control center. Once you're in control center, you're going to go ahead and hit reset control center, and here you go. From here, tap the option to reset control center, and of course let me show you the control center. If you press right here, not on the crown but this secondary button here, you'll be taken to the control center. So this is your control center. It contains all of the main controls or quick controls similarly to your Mac and iPhone. So you can actually go here. Now, just in case you have rearranged the control center, by resetting it, it will set it back to its default. So in case of that, go ahead and, as I showed, and you can reset it. You can also do it from your iPhone. So on your iPhone, and you can go to watch. Then, of course, from here, you can control the watch that's connected, which is your watch. So go ahead and you're going to go to control center, and here it gives you the option. It says press the side button to access the control center, as you can see. And of course you can hit reset control center. Once you reset control center, the control center, as I showed you before, will be reset. You can do it on the watch, or of course you can do it on the device. All right, so I hope that was helpful in terms of resetting your control center in case you have modified your control center and you want to set it back to its default. So this is the default look. The way you edit the control center is to hit edit, and of course there you go. You can actually mess with it, and if you do mess with it, you do not like the layout, go ahead and readjust it. All right, so that's how to do it on this device. So hope this was useful guys, and see you in the next one. Bye.